is Sandra. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a blowout flower. I'm hoping to do a big bud in the center and maybe a couple of smaller ones. I'm not sure. It's definitely a day for creating. Let's see what happens. I've got white acrylic down on my 14 by 14 canvas. I'm going to give it a quick little torch and start this painting. For anyone that's new to my channel, welcome. Thank you very much for stopping in and checking out the video. Please hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch my crazy art, thank you so much. You're the best. All right. So I'm going to first start with a new color. It's called Copper. It's metallic and it's by, I think it's Peglo it's called. I tried it on my last painting and it just kind of disappeared in the black and the berry wine that I used. So I'm going to try it this time again, only on a white background instead of black. See if it comes out. So I'm going to start with this color first. And I am going to just do kind of a big puddle like that. And then I think I'm going to do one more here, like that. Let's see if that's enough to get some color happening for a flower. Then I'm going to do some of my berry wine, which I used on my last video. It's one of my favorite colors lately. But I think it'll look even sharper, being that it's on the white background. I think I might do a little bit more here. Okay, I'm going to start with that. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of my, it's already pre-mixed, ready to go beige pouring. Haven't mixed anything with this. I'm just going to add it right from the bottle. All my other paints are done with glue and water. It's 50-50, so 50% acrylic and then 50% of my glue and water mixture. Okay, I'm going to start with that and see how that works. Just going to put some white down to flood it a little bit. Grab my little cordless airbrush. Blow that white paint up. Just going to let that sit for a minute. And then do some more blowing. Well, when I say a minute, I only mean like 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. That's a good start. Okay, I'm going to give that a quick little torch. Okay, and then I'm going to do one right about here. A tiny bit down here. That was of the copper. Then I'm doing the berry wine. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of white down here too, just to make sure I got lots of paint flowing. Okay, grab my little compressor. Got some excellent cells happening here. Lots of lines to make out petals, which is what I was going for. Okay. Give this guy a little torch. Okay, so now I want to do some dark green. Right here and here. I'm going to do a little bit of burnt umber, and with that green, take my little compressor and hope I don't wreck it. Okay, now I want to take my little painter's knife, swirl it around a tiny bit, and bring it down. So I'm moving the green paint over a little bit. It's one thing fabulous about fluid art is you can get it to do whatever you want. And with having the white and the browns all mixing together, it really does help give the leaves a little bit more of a true effect. Background kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to give that a little bit of a torch. Let that sit for a minute. We'll see if there's anything I need to add in here. I think I need to pull in a little bit of white into there. Just going to grab some from the table. Just helps to detail petals a little bit more, define them. That's a really nice line right there. Okay. I think I need to do a little bit of a line detail right here. A little bit here. A little bit there. And this is me just kind of being picky. I think I need to add a little bit of berry color up top here. Just a tiny bit. And I see another little spot right here. Okay. Definitely gorgeous. Okay, do I want to add any more to it? I think I want to add more green is what I want to do. I got a tiny splash of pink right here. Yes, I want to add more green, just a little bit. So I'm going to just do just a light couple of green dark lines here and here, and one right here. And then pull it up and go down. Okay, and a little bit of my lighter green. Just going to put it right there. Perfect. Okay, I'm officially calling this beautiful flower done, and I don't think I have too much paint on here. I think I can turn it and lift it and not wreck it too much. I'm hoping that the copper I put down, when it dries, really shows through, but I'm not sure it's going to. We'll see. But there we go. Quick little flower painting. What did that take? Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most? All right, there we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, please subscribe if you haven't. And if you already have, thank you so much. It's much appreciated.